My friend, this is Amit. As you all have appeared in first attempt of AEEE 2025 exam. So here I am with the marks versus percentile versus rank. It is for first attempt updated information. Earlier also I provided you, but this year the difficulty level has been increased a little bit from last year. So that will have an effect on the marks versus percentile. That's why I'm here to guide you properly regarding the marks versus percentile versus rank data. So here is the information for that. So you can check the percentile range from 10 to 99. That is for 99 plus. If you are targeting, then 200 marks is required, and if your paper was very tough, then you can get at 190 also, if it was on easier side, because different shift was having different difficulty level. But I'm providing you in general. At this you will get 5 marks up and down or 10 marks up and down, you can do. So rank will be under 500 if you are getting 99 plus. Similarly, I have already provided you the percentile versus different campus, that is AEEE percentile versus, because in first attempt you will get the percentile, and whatever rank I am providing you here, that is the final rank after second attempt based on the total unique number of a student. So even if you get this percentile in first attempt or second attempt, you are going to get this percentile. So now if you talk about 98 plus, then 180 marks is required, rank 1000. 97 plus, marks 165 required, rank 1.5 thousand or less than that. For 95 plus percentile, rank marks should be 140, rank under 2.5 thousand. For 93 plus, marks 120, rank 3.5 thousand. 91 plus percentile, 105 marks is required and rank 4.5 thousand or less than that. For 87, 95 marks is required, rank 6.5 thousand or less than that. For 82 plus percentile, marks is 90 and rank under 9000. For 78, 85 marks, rank under 11,000. For 73, 80 marks required, rank under 13.5 thousand. 68, 75 marks is required, rank under 16,000. 62, 70 marks is required and rank under 19,000. For 55, 65 marks is required based on the latest difficulty level of the AEEE 2025, rank under 22.5 thousand. Here I would like to provide you a very important information regarding the preparation of second attempt. If your score is not going to be good in first attempt, you can register with my guidance for second attempt. Earlier I have shown you the screenshot sidewise also. Now also you can check sidewise the detail. I will provide you a free test series with my guidance, that is exclusive based on the latest pattern. I am making that test series, and within 1 or 2 days it will be completed. So that I will provide you full syllabus mock test, subject wise, chapter wise, everything. You will get the complete real exam experience, so that you will able to get the good result. And also I will guide you based on the important chapter, how to get the concept each day, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. If you want, you can register with my guidance, so you will be getting the complete guidance until your final admission, not only for the exam better result, but after getting good result, I will guide you to get the best branch and campus also with better slab to save your parents money as well. So now if you talk about 48 plus, 60 marks is required, 26,000. 43 plus, 55 marks is required, 28.5 thousand rank. For 37, 50 marks is required, 31.5 thousand will be the rank. For 31, 45 marks is required, 34,000 rank. For 20, 40 marks is required and 40,000 will be the rank. For 10, 15 marks is required, 45.5 thousand will be the rank. So this is the complete information regarding the marks versus percentile versus rank, that is updated after first attempt of examination. And once again, let me inform you, better counseling is very important to get the best college in Amrita University, because this is a little bit unique type of counseling and complicated counseling. Here I will be guiding you until your admission is done. So if you want, you can contact me whenever required. In the description, detail is there. If you want one doubt session, you can register for that also. The charge is very less for that. Thank you.